we're back with the motor. Today, call me Marty. The doc is here, and we're gonna post it up. Plain and simple. And I'm about to go straight hyperlapse after this. All right? You gotta put the timing, the oil pump on first before we put this on.
Yeah.
It's that fucking pump.
Do you have that?
Yes.
We don't need it right now.
All right. You didn't check the pistons yet, right? Oh, they said they're good. That's the last thing. No, we gotta put that on, and then put the oil pan on. So,
Yeah.
just for right now. Just the head timing. Josh. Hey Josh, come check this out.
You ready?
Yes. Holy shit. Sweet. Yes.
Well, is everything?
Yeah.
And the hat? Do you like the style of the hat?
Yeah.
It's just a snapback, basic all black.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't have to be using my work pants.
We get all the hats done, you'll get 50% off of everything. So even including getting names on the side. Because it's you just want all snapbacks, right?
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, so once I get all the snapbacks, and once I get them done and everything, after that, put names on it, everything. Like I said, 50% off it.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine. Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
Then I would need another $20 stream.
All right, well, there you guys have it. The head is on. Not completely, but it's on. We still have the timing components to go on the front. And I was a bit impatient and got a box of goodies last week. Brand new for the motor. What would you call this? I don't even know the name. Correct name.
Sprocket.
Sprocket. The head sprocket with the upper timing chain. Gray. Gasket maker. Everything here is pretty much brand new timing components. Even cam sprocket. What's so funny, man? Also, brand new water pump. All right, I can't remember his name, but I'll tag him when I put the video up. And we also got this right here. I haven't opened it up. I haven't told Josh either, but go ahead and rip this open.
Kid is in the excited.
There you go.
Ooh, fuel pump. E85.
450
Yeah.
liter per hour, E85. Got it. So it's like day 3, 4, or 5. I can't remember. Continue on this. Josh's not here right now, but I'm going to install the timing components up front. When he gets back, we can start putting that piece together. Jeremiah is working on the VQ. He's about to take the truck and stuff off. And Carlos is working on Nismo Central over there. Needs to do some touch-up paint work. So it's in the shop. We pretty much do it all, and hopefully one day, you know, we can expand, get somewhere bigger. You know, keep moving up. So, let me get to work. All right, keeping it on the real. We're gonna end the video here. The motor was not done. I owe you guys a video. I'm a week behind, but as you can see, the head is on. Timing, tensioner, and brackets are all on. Head gasket, all that good stuff. But we're at a standstill right now because KA24DE intake should be green, exhaust should be orange. I could be wrong from what I'm reading. It's been a while, so hold on, show you something different. So here are the cams I took out of the other motor. No paint marking either one of them. And what we discovered was these are messed up bad, so they're pretty much useless. Hence why my motor was giving so much issues. But we're at a standstill right now. Doc's gonna do his research and make sure we get him in the correct position, get him in right. So we're only doing this once, all right? Other than that, that's where we are right now. Yeah, we've had a van coming for service. We have a Nismo Sentra. Came in for some cosmetic work on the front bumper. And as you're gonna see in another video, the VQ is out of the Infinity. We had a spun bearing and pulled quite a good amount of shavings. You can see them right there out of the oil pan. But hey, that's the video for this week. That's it for this week's video. I'm not gonna lie, the last 2 weeks has been, tiring. But anyway, appreciate you guys coming back. Make sure you share the videos, subscribe if you haven't, and hey, thank you.